don't know any specific topic, okay, go to YouTube and search it and follow the recordings. Am I right? Will you do that?
I never tried.
Hello.
I never tried. I only used
Try.
in your classes only. Again.
No. What I mean to say, yeah,
I mean,
maybe it will be help actually. See what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so you don't want to join my sessions also. You can go and okay, follow the recordings and play with that. See what I'm trying to say. Yeah, one person asked me like so on the tool. Okay, but I don't have any hands-on experience on that tool. That simply suggest that okay, go with a good YouTube and something play with that. So he has go through that almost 1 week he played. 1 week he played that exact videos and practiced by following the videos and learn it. You guys are also doing the same thing right now. Am I right? Just following the video as it is same thing you can implement and trying to get the knowledge. Similar way. So any new topic comes into the picture, don't depend on the third person. Understand? Okay, if anyone available, you can go with that. Example, you guys are aware of so Srinivas is there and Srinivas explains certain related doubts. Okay, you can raise it to me. Suppose if some topics I don't know, then okay, instead of finding the persons, go to Google and get the video and read that, see the video and get the knowledge kind of thing. Okay, na?
yes.
Okay. Right. So where we are? Okay, I want to go with the today one small implementation, etc. Right. So first, right click on this project, go to property, I'll open the Excel sheet here. So yesterday we have seen just read the data from Excel sheet, one program. Am I right? Now same thing with the FB login code. We have FB login code here, right? We have FB login code. Where it is here? Yeah, this is the Facebook login code, and I want to take the data from Excel sheet. Now help me. Yes, see, Wahida already prepared the code. Am I right? Wahida,
Yes.
you
Yes.
already prepared the code. Go to src test java com.test scenarios. You prepared some code already, right? So this is FB login one. Go here. I replace here. Go to this. Refresh of your project. Every login comes into the picture. So how you define the code here? How do you define the code? Locators class coming from utilities. Java utilities. That's wrong. Where is locators class? Locators class is coming from object repository package. I'm just removing this. Replace that import statement here. Now error gone. Okay. So every email locator. Where is my locator stored here? Yeah, this is my FB email login. I just replace that. See, the way of calling is different. The variable name is different in my locators class and Vahita's place. That's it. For login name also we have a locator, right? Why don't you use that? Okay. See how she has prepared the code. Sorry.
You have to change the Excel sheet name also.
Great. td.xlsx and src/resources test data. Okay, this is also my test data. It's a td.xls. Am I right?
Yes.
And sheet 1 also, you can just observe that. Yeah, for that only I open here. Go to project src test resources test data. There is a td.xls. I just open here. What is the sheet name? Have you seen that? S is a small letter U given and S is a cap letter in my Excel sheet. Am I right?
Yes.
That is wrong here. That is wrong. Look at this.
Yeah.
In your class, S should be cap letter. So as it is, the system will cross check that exactly. So sheet one given. Next, so you given username is a Okay, this is the username, email, right? This is the email, this is the password. This is the password, this is the email. Okay. So you are taking data from here only. Alright? This
Yes.
is the row. Row 1, 0th column. Row 1, 0th column. 1 comma 0 and column, and to get the string here. Okay, here instead of 2 string, okay, this is it working? Maybe it will be get failure, I think so.
No, it worked.
Okay, see that? Okay, there is a one option here. Get,
Cell value.
okay, string cell value. This is the column. This is a method. See, get the value of cell as a string. Get the value of as a string. Okay, I'm just choosing this. Okay, see what is that? System will identify the cell, but inside the content, if you want to capture and push it to here, right? So that should be a string. So why? Because send case method always, if you go here, look at this. There is a send case method. This is a send case method, right? This send case method always developed by Selenium people only. So use this method as a type something to the element. Okay, it should be a string format. Look at this. It should be a string format. Understand? The parameter keys to send is to the web element, and always it will be allow only a string format only. Understand, guys? What is string? What is send case? Send case is always is a string. Always is a string. So here it is. Yeah, here it is. Okay. Get string cell value I'm taking. So what is this method will help us to here? Look at this. The method is get the value of the current cell as a string. Okay, so for numeric cell we can go with the different. Okay, for empty we can go with the different. Understand? Okay, I'll explain that. ToString, instead of ToString, get string cell value, you can call that. So now system will identify what is my row number, what is my column number. According to that, inside that what content it is, it will be captured, and as I need to email, that email you are passing here. Great. I'm trying to run that. Okay, I'm just changing the name here. FB retesting. I'm just checking here. Just a minute. Just a minute. Go. బాగుందిలే. Yeah, sorry guys. బాగుందిలే. Press చేసుకో. Who's the door? Okay, I'm just changing the name here. FB retesting. I have changed the class name here, and this is my Excel sheet finding, and which row, which column, and get the value of this. If I run this, always it will be hard coded, right? Only one value it will be taken up here. Only one value it will be taken. But I want to go with that. Yeah, tell me guys, shall we use for loop here? See, it is taking only one credential. That's it. Okay, execution is over. But I want to go with all the test cases, and I want to validate it here. Look at this. Look at this. Have you remember this? What is this code? Did I cover?
No, I think.
Okay. See, after login, I'm going to be validating. Okay. If the given locator is presenting on screen, what is the locator here? Look at this. What is this locator? Driver.find elements of by XPath of this content. What is this XPath? After you log in successfully, suppose with the dummy credentials, if I log in here, what happened? Error message is showing here, right? Error message is showing, right? So look at here. May I know what is the XPath of this? It's a hyperlink, right? Forgot password. Huh? Hello.
Yes.
And if you click on here, see, it is showing create new account password. See, it depends on, sometimes it is showing forgot password, sometimes it is showing create a new account. We don't know what error message will come as the next screen. Understand? Hello. See, if I type it something here and click on login button, next screen is showing, right? Whether it is the error screen or successful it is logged in. I want to validate it. So in that case, we can go this the way. Okay, so there is a error message, right? Now we discussed already contains XPath. Am I right? Contains XPath.
No.
No, super. Now it will be go. It's the time to discuss them. Yeah, text based we have discussed, right? Then go with the syntax 5. It's a contains. Okay, so the syntax is, huh?
You are updating in the wrong notification. 8 a.m. batch. You are in 7 a.m. batch.
Yeah, sorry. Thanks for update. So yeah, this is a duplicate. It is the first text based, basic text based index. We discussed it, and we'll go with the contains based. What is the contains? We'll discuss it now. Tag name. Okay. Tag name square bracket on and off. Inside that contains within a brackets. Inside that attribute name, comma, within single quotation attribute value. This is the syntax of contains. Okay, so example, look at this. This is my error message. I want to capture this text. Okay, so how to take the locator for that? Just right click and inspect element here, and look at this. It is showing like this. Okay, and I can't use class name. This is dynamically changing, assume it, and I want to go with this content, or I want to go with this content. Okay, simple. Yeah, let's go to google.com. Okay, example, you guys are familiar with this also, right? See, without fill any details, I'm trying to click on submit button here. Okay, what happened? Error message came up. Whether this error message have first name, first is a word, first is a word, whether this text contains a first, having the first word or not. How do you validate? So Meena, what is your full name, Rajesh? What is your full name, Rajesh? Venkat Rajesh. So there is a person name is Venkat Rajesh, and whether its full name is a Venkat Rajesh, it contains a Venkat or not. It contains AT or not. It contains VE or not. I want to validate it. Okay. So hi, hello, how are you? So this is a statement. In that statement, whether hello word is there or not, how do you validate it? Got you? I want to find out the statement with the specific word, specific character. So whether, how do you identify that particular content with the help of XPath like this? So I will give this. Okay. So one more example also I'll show you here. Facebook application only. We'll go here. Login or sign up. I'll take it up here. Create new account. Look at this. Right now I have locators here. Look at this. These are the locators. Have you observed that? All are same class names. It's a duplicate. I want to click on mail radio button. What shall I do? Shall I go with the index based? Okay, index based it will work out. But client said go with the text based only, not index based. In that case, just expand that. We have any text here? Any text? Yeah, go with the text male, M-A-L-E. Here also female. Here also custom. Okay, so I want to go with the name male text based. So how do you identify? Okay, how do you identify? Just control F. What is the syntax here? First go with the tag name // tag name is okay. So if I don't know tag name exactly, make it star. Star means all the tag names. Go inside the contains. Okay, contains within a bracket. You just go here text based. I don't have any specific attribute here. In that case, text bracket comma and it's a male. I can take it up. Have you seen? It is showing 1 of 1. Okay, you don't want to write it full word here. You can take it MA also. Partial also it will be work out here. So with the MA it is showing 12. But when you type it MAL, it is showing 1 only. So you don't want to go with that full content. Okay. So here attribute name you can take it up. Okay. So that is, if it is a text based means go with the text of. Attribute means it may be ID or so example I'll take it up here. This is the one. For this I'm going to be write the code. Okay. So for this I'm going to be write a XPath. In that case syntax 1 would be like this. What is your tag name here? Input. Okay. Type I'm taking here. Type and the value equal to radio. Okay, you can go with the radio or radi or RAI or RA also will be work out. Just contains partial value also we can type it. You can simply write the syntax here. Partial attribute value. Okay, na? Partial attribute value will take it up. It is easy to understand. No need to give the full value here. Contains. Okay. Example. Hi. How are you? There is a one statement. Whether it contains the R, A, R, E or not. So just go with the contains example. Okay. Just text based here. Contains of text of. Okay. Just go with the ER. Kind of. And similarly, this is the element based, right? Text based, how it will be go here. What is your tag name here? Input contains text. What is that? Text is. So I'll go with the text. Is there any text? Plain text? There is no plain text here. If it is any plain text, then only we can go with the text. So what is our case right now here? Go to Facebook login page. And I'm just logging with the, see what is the error message right now? It doesn't have any locators. It doesn't have any locators. Have you seen? There is no attribute at all. ID, name or some other, no attributes right now. So only plain text I have. So in that case, I want to find out whether this particular text is presenting or not. Just text based I can go here. What is the text base here? What is the text here? We have find your, I will give here. Look at this, it's identifying. What is the XPath here? What is the XPath here? // star contains of, I'll write it here itself, you can easily understand that. This is the, so text based, either go by this or this, any syntax. Contains of text comma, text bracket should be actually, if it is a plain text. The plain text I have written here. You may go with the full content within a single quote or partial also. Okay, partial attribute or okay, full attribute value. Anything you can take it. Got you? Partial attribute text or full text. Anything you can give. Partially or fully you can give. That's your wish. Okay, now, so sometimes I may call Venkat only. Sometimes I may call Venkat Rajesh. Even Venkat also he will be present, or Venkat Rajesh also he will be responded. Am I right? So that's your wish. You can go with the depends on your scenario. Go with the partial text or full text. Clear? Any doubts on this concept? Okay. Now back to the scenario here. When I entered username password, after click on login button and system is showing some error message here. If it is showing this type of error message, your given credentials are invalid. Am I right? If it is not displaying on the same screen and it has logged in successfully and showing the next screen here, that's a valid credentials. So like that, I'm going to be comparing that one here. Look at this. Look at the code here, line number 45. So I'm just checking driver dot find elements. I'm taking here find elements. Okay. So system will go to the specific locator, whether the given locator is present on screen. If it is present, and size I'm capturing for that. What is size here? Size here returns the number of elements in the list. Okay. What is the size method here? Size method returns the number of elements. Now here I'm using driver dot find elements. Have you seen? Find elements, not a find element. What is the difference between find element and find elements? Hello, there is a find element and I'm using find elements here. Find elements. What is the meaning of na? More than one element.
Multiple.
Okay, multiple elements. See, the given XPath is right now on my page. One time is presenting the value equal to 1, the size equal to 1. If suppose the same locator is presenting 10 times, 10 the output it is. If it is presenting 5, okay, I'll give an example here. Look at this. Yeah, look at this. Here it is. Go with the sign up page. Go with the. Look at this. Yeah, go here. With this class name. With this class name. Come on here. I just pasted it. Have you seen that? This class name I placed it here. It is showing 1 of 3. 1 of 3. It's a duplicate, right? This is a duplicate, right? Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
So I have given the class name in the instead of XPath, I have given by that class name of that locator, and system will get that. What is the output of highlighted code? It's a 3. Got you? It's a 3. Suppose only one attribute on there. Okay, the given locator is presenting only one time on screen and get the size. Okay, if it is a present means that is. So just read that. If the given locator has present on screen, then the size of web element is 1 else 0. If it is present, the value equal to 1. Okay, 1, and if it is not present on screen, that's a 0. So there's the way I'm just capturing that. See, the highlighted code results when it is the 1, the locator is present on screen. Okay, so the output of highlighted one right now 1. Okay, so 1 greater than 0, mathematically true. Okay, true. And if it is a true, we are using OR operator. I don't want to go with the next one. If it is the first one itself is a true means don't want to go with the next one. Automatically it will be go inside. So we already discussed about operators. Am I right?
Yes, we discussed.
Operators. What is the symbol of R? Why we will go with the R? No idea?
Any one of the condition is true, automatically the statement will be executed.
Exactly. This is a symbol actually. This is the apparatus. Look at this. Any one is true, output equal to true. So this is the case right now. Example. This is a true and one is a false. That output equal to true only. So any one condition is true or not, system is checking. So first itself true now, then don't want to go the second one, by default output equal true only. This is the case. Am I right? Yes, please. Okay. So now what is the concept here? Driver dot find element by the specific locator size is greater than 0. And why I'm taking this one again? Yeah, sometimes my application is showing find your account and log in this link, and sometimes create a new account Facebook. I don't know which locator will come. That's why I just place it two locator. Command system, go either this locator or this locator. Any one locator is presenting on my screen, then my given credentials are invalid. I just written like that. And else block, okay, if this is not true, either this or that, any one of is not matching, then comes to the else block, and of course the given credentials are valid. Okay, so that's what I just written the code here, run it, and what exactly output will come, we'll see whether it is a pass or invalid credentials or valid credentials. Of course we have given the invalid credentials only. Am I right? Okay, what is the output here? Shall I open the output here? Given credentials are invalid. Have you seen? Hello.
Yes.
Okay, now shall I give valid credentials here in Excel sheet? What is the valid credentials? Anyone? Will you give valid credentials? No, right? No, sir. It's a security issue will come. Please don't try in your local system. I'm trying to give this. You guys are aware of my password. 1 second. I have noted somewhere. I may forget it like that. Please don't try in your local system. Use your own credentials to log in. Wow, my God, again it went wrong. Request a new password. How many times it is asking here? Yeah, maybe someone has tried to log in different area. Maybe that's a problem. Yeah, see that? Someone open in Bangalore location. Guys, I said clearly, please don't try my credentials. Someone tried that. No problem. So it's open to all guys. Please don't try. That's my humble request, please. March 17th. Yeah, it's me only. My password is reset here. See, this is me only. Okay, but someone try to log in without my permission. Okay, and Bangalore location. Yeah, please don't try to log in with my credentials. You know, log out other devices also. Okay, I'm just trying to log out here. What is my password here? testing. I'm trying to log in with the credentials right now. Yeah, it's logged in. Okay, I'll use the same credentials and we'll see whether it is showing some valid messages or not. Okay, now through Facebook coding. Okay, so shall I go and place it my password here? And what is my username? Let's make it that. After modification, save. You must save the Excel sheet or else it may create a problem. Okay, I saved it. I'm trying to rerun the same program. First row I have modified the code, right? Now we'll see whether it will be successfully displayed the valid credentials or not. Why? Because after click on login button, it will be navigate to the next level and both the error messages are not showing right now. It's navigated successfully to the next screen. See that results here, successfully executed, and have you seen the results here? The given credentials are valid.
Yes.
Okay. Now I want to go with the multiple test data here. See, we have tried only one, right? Okay, we have tried only one, right? Insert. I'll cut this. I'll place this. Okay, look at this. I have given first four are invalid, last one is a valid. We'll see what output will come in a console. Okay, na? Hello. Come on here. We have already, right? I'll make it this one as a pass. Just for time being, I'm just adding something like this. Yeah. Okay. See, tell me, what is this code actually? What is this code? What purpose we have written the code?
To get
This
the data
code
from
only we can
Excel sheet,
execute for
only
one record.
one row and one column.
Okay, I want to repeat the same code. What shall I do?
For I
You
is
have to put
equal
it for
to 0 and
Loop. We can use loop statement, right?
yes.
Okay, the highlighted code, just right click here. Okay, surround with. You can go with the surround with. Where it is. Use loop also. You can go with the for loop. You can use that. It will be open in a loop automatically. See that? It's automatically created loop. The highlighted code. So I equal to 0. But 0 means it will be go like this. You don't want to go with these credentials, right? This is not a credential. These are the headers. Headers. Am I right? Mr. Naresh, just please go to mute. Yeah, your kid is talking actually. Yeah, thank you. So to avoid disturbance only, don't take it seriously. Okay, na? Right. So actually, I want to go with this 0. I equal to 0 na. 0 means it will go here. I don't want to go with the 0. So go make it 1. I equal to 1. And how many rows you want to capture? Yeah. So before this, I'll run one small step here. 1 second. Commented that. See how many rows we have in this sheet. How many rows of data we have in this sheet? How many rows of sheet? So get the row count from the Excel. For that, you just use What is your row? Yes. Yes is a sheet. Okay. Get the row count from the Excel sheet. That's it. Sheet is yes. Yes dot get row count. There is a get last row number. This is a method. Get last row number is a method. So get the last row in the sheet. Okay. Simply we will call it as a row count. See, I'm just running that Excel sheet. So what is the output I'm expecting here? Have you seen 11 rows? How it is 11 rows? Okay, maybe I didn't delete it properly here. How many rows of data we have right now? Save it. How many rows of data we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means 5 rows. Am I right? 5 rows only. I'm just running the program here. See, is it correct?
Yes.
5 rows we have. Okay, na? 5 rows we have. How many columns you want to capture inside the row? Hello? I'll show you here. I have written something here. I have written something. Saved it. Now tell me, row 1 contains how many columns?
3.
0, 1, 2. So totally 3 columns we have. 3 columns. And whereas this one, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 columns. So I want to print that. Example, here totally 5 rows. This is a full row count. Okay. So based on the row number, I want to get the column list. Okay. Based on the row count, based on the row number, how many columns we have, I want to get the value. So simply here, get the column number. In that case, first you must identify row. Okay. Any reference name is equal to sheet dot get row. The number I'm just taking 5 here. 5th row. Okay. So just make it for row 5 for your understanding purpose. Row 5 and row 5 dot get column count. Get last cell number. So get the index of last cell number contain the +1. So just take it up, get last cell number. This method will help us to print how many rows we have. Okay. Get the column number based on the row. Okay. Just this out statement I'm writing here. That's it. See that row 5 contains how many columns? It will be print the results. So totally we have 5 rows, but row 5 contains 7 columns. Is it correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct? And will you go with that? What is the row 4 contains? Row 4 contains how many columns? 2. Okay. So go with the 4 and see the result. Row 4 contains only 2 columns. So now you understand what is this? Get last row number, get last cell number. These 2 methods you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Why? Because I don't want to hard code. Okay, I'm just deleting this. I'm just deleting all this. Save. Okay. So what is the last row number with this? Tell me guys, what is the last row number? Output. Line number 28, what is the result with this content?
5.
5. Super. So I don't want to hard code that directly. We can go like this. I'm just commenting that. See here, see here. What is this? In a for loop, I equal to 1 I define. It will be go like this. Okay. And 1 less than or equal to, what is the output of get last row number? 5. So 1 less than or equal to 5. Mathematically true? 1 less than or equal to 5. Mathematically true?
Yes.
If yes, it will go inside. Now I want to get the row number, means go instead of 1, go with the I here. What is the I? I equal to 1 only, right? Okay. So if you want to go with the email, right? So email is a 0th column. Yeah, let it be 0 hard coded. And 1 is a password. Let it be 1 password. Right? Okay. So right now username and password will be captured. First row it will be go and execute these statements. After completion of this line, after this, system will go back to I++. I value will be increment by 2. So system will come here. And again this data it will be captured and execute the code. Again this code, this code, this code. After 5, so next increment by 1, 6 will come. I value 6. 6 less than or equal to 5. Mathematically fail. At the time of condition fail, it will become here out of the loop. So like that, we just added the same statement, just if for loop condition here. That's it. With the, instead of hard coding the row number, I just use a integer variable here. That's it. If I run this program, before running, I'm just saving that Excel sheet here. And how many times this code will be executed? 5 times. Why? Because 5 rows we have. Am I right? Hello. Any doubts? We'll see whether it will be executed or not. Yeah, first time it is executed. After wait some time, yeah, it has again opened the next page. Second credentials it took. Error message came. The next, third credentials, logged in. Error message came, validated. Then fourth time, it will be entered the fifth time it is actually. Okay. Valid credentials, it logged in successfully. Okay, and there is no error message at all. Then finally, see the results here. Executed 1. Okay, have you seen that? This is the first credentials, fail. Second credentials, fail. Third credentials, fail. Fourth credentials, fail. Fifth credentials are pass. Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes.
First 4 are invalid. Last one only valid. The output came properly. Output is displayed as expected. Am I right?
Yes.
So please try the same implementation in your local machine. Will you do that? Hello.
Yeah, we can do that.
Please complete this assignment before tomorrow's session. So actually what I'm planning to cover, one more point here. We have only read the data from Excel sheet, right? So there is another option. Why don't we push the data, the results we have seen in a console as of now, right? In a console, whether it is pass or fail, something we have seen. But the same message, why don't we pass here? We'll make it result one column here, and the result, it's a fail, right? Go with the fail, go with the fail, fail, and this is a pass. So like that, after execution, system by itself, it has to put the data in Excel sheet and display that. I don't want to go and cross check which credentials is passed and all in a console. Just directly come to the Excel sheet and see that results here. Okay, so how to do that? So that is nothing but we have used the 2 APIs. As of now, only one we used it. What is that API here? File input stream, we used it. Okay, So there is another API, file output stream. Yeah, look at this. File input stream, file output stream. Two IO streams were there. IO means I means input, O means output. So to get the data from Excel sheet to Eclipse, we'll use input stream only. This we tried today and yesterday, and we'll try tomorrow output stream. Okay. So how to create? See, if you written the code in Eclipse and run that code, based on this code, system will generate Excel sheet. System will send the data into so-and-so cell. So for that, we'll use output stream. Okay, now. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll try that tomorrow. So if I explain today, maybe you may confuse it again. So I don't want to confuse you. People, please try that assignment, today's assignment, and we'll go with the next step tomorrow. This one, file output stream concept, we'll see. Okay, now. Yeah, please try to practice those assignments. Shall I send these programs, or I'll push this entire code into cloud? Is that okay? You guys are importing the project from cloud, right?
Yes.
Is there any difficulties to import the project? Anyone facing problem?
No.
These two are not comes to the output actually. Huh. Hmm. DDFW means data driven framework. That's it. We don't just this is the meaningful statement I have written, that's it. And I push the code to cloud. Close it. Go to the specific branch here. See, I just added some code. The latest code came here. Go to src/test/java com.test scenarios. See that latest code? Where it is actually? Yeah, here it is. Facebook retesting. Today this is the code updated actually. Okay, the code is available in a cloud. Please import that and try to run the program, or else you can try to implement in your local system by following the video. Choice is yours. Okay, now.
Yes.
Okay, I'll just copy this, give you back to the cloud. Where it is? Yeah, here it is. I'm typing something wrong. Ah, I totally closed that. Oh, so Priya's when this is wrong. This is your batch. Why it is not working for me? Oh, it went already. Sorry. Team, pull the latest code from Git repository. If you pull it now, automatically your code will be updated. Your project will be updated. Okay, now could you please try to practice that? Okay, in different way. Will you develop the code for this login web page with a data-driven framework separate class? Go here, enter username, password, and this captcha. You can type it. Okay, what is the content image? You can type it here and try to log in. So this test data, or else you can go to create new account. So could you please? Okay, I'll go with a different one. Then it is easy to understand. Make my trip. Yeah, recently, yesterday one lady has faced interview. She she get the question. Look at this, the fourth question. Have you seen that? They asked to open a Make My Trip web page and showed one the element and asked me write the export related. Yeah, this is the one. Open the Make My Trip. Oh, okay, right. Where is Make My Trip web page? Yeah, here it is. Okay, so they given like so how to write export for these trains. Yeah, I think so. You guys very familiar with this. Tell me please how to write export for these trains. I want to click on trains here. Anyone? If you guys say the answer, I'll give one compliment. Who's ready to say answer for these trains? How to write export for this? Lakshmi, Ahida, Siddharth, Maunima, Rajesh,
Insert
Rupa.
the element.
Huh?
Right click.
Right click, inspect.
Like
With the help of contains expert, we can write it.
Come on, come on, come on. That's correct only. How to write? Copy the content here. Double forward slash
star.
star
Now,
square bracket on and off contains of within a text comma single quotation on and off. Inside that I just place the text. Now tell me, I have 1 of 4 it is showing. Okay, in this case place mouse pointer. Is it highlighting at the menu? No, that is the first one actually. Go with the second one. Use this down arrow mark. Is it the menu which you are looking? Yellow color highlighted one. No, come down. Is it the third one is yours? No. Is it the fourth one is yours? No. Okay. Then which one is yours?
Expand it.
If I expand, see this is showing something like trains text is not allowing me. Yeah, expand it also. Trains text is not showing.
Is that a link?
That's what you guys tell me, please. This is actually content. This is a code for that. We have a class here, right? Shall I go with the class?
I think you need to go with the slash a contains
A. Okay. Go with the A or star. Anything is not a matter. At class. At class is equal to single quotation. See, it's a 1 of 1. Simple.
menu trains.
Net lines. Okay. We have a class here, but we identified. But the given question is here. Don't use class here. Don't use class. I want to go with create a export for that. I want to identify without class. Class is not there. Then how do you identify? Because how do you identify the intention of the interviewer here? Here we have a parent tag. Have you seen? This is my parent tag. Don't use the specifically trains class, but we have a parent here. Okay, upper list. This is the lower list. So this is upper list. Go with this. Okay, class. I identified here. Okay, but it contains one value. But inside that, see, when I go with this export, the entire all the menu items will come. Have you seen that? Flights, hotel, all are highlighted. When I place mouse pointer in yellow color, see that flights, hotel, homestay, all are showing. But inside that, what is the tail tag? This is the parent tag. This is the tail tags. So tail tags are li. What is the li? Which li you want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth li. 1, 2, 3. See that? When I place mouse pointer this tag name, it is highlighting flights, hotel, homestay, holiday package li. Which li it is? Fifth one. So just slash li of 5. So with the li only, it is showing 10. Means 10 menus were there. Okay, li of 5 we can take it up. So look at that. Easily find out. This is also another way. See, if we go with the n number of ways of XPath, we can identify XPath and say selector, any locator. Okay, Mr. Reshma. Sorry, Madam Reshma.
Yes.
I am in Hyderabad. Okay?
Okay.
I want to come to Chennai.
Okay.
Do you have any idea how to reach to Hyderabad to Chennai?
Take a flight and go.
By road, I'm saying. What way we will use? Anyone have idea? Siddharth, Rajesh, Onima, Lakshmi?
Yeah, you are asking the route.
Road actually.
Yeah, maybe from Chennai to Nellore.
From Hyderabad to first Vijayawada I will go.
Yeah, from
Okay.
there.
Vijayawada to Nellore to Chennai. That's a way. Okay.
Yeah.
Or else, okay, you have to go.
Pati.
Yeah.
Hyderabad to
Go to Kurnool,
Kurnool.
Kadapa, then Tirupati, then
And-
Chennai. There is another way also. Bangalore,
Guntur.
Yeah, Bangalore
then
to
Chennai, then Vijayawada, Guntur, then Nellore, then Chennai.
Not required.
See,
You
how?
are right to Guntur. Yeah. Yes.
There is a without Vijayawada, yes, via what is that route?
Addanki,
What is the route?
Addanki, yeah.
Not
Yeah, that is
Addanki.
Piduguralla.
Pidiguralla, correct.
Yeah.
Actually, I used to go this way only.
Hmm.
Okay, I went 2 times the same way. Okay, while coming, I use this way, and one time I use this one. Yeah, tell me. So why I explain this example? So why my target is reach to Chennai.
Yeah. But you have
How
different.
you how you see the person to person based on requirement. Say I want to go to Kadapa first, then go to Chennai. In that case, I can prefer this. So someone said easiest way, fastest way, go with this way, highway fully. Kind of. So what is your scenario? What is your requirement? According to that, you can prepare. So not only compulsory, you must go with the XPath, you must go with the CSS, you must go with the ID, not like that. Depends on your case, you can go. Okay, now. Hello.
Yes.
But is there any best practice or something, Srini? Suppose I will write XPath anyway, as you told actually. Many ways are there to write XPath. So, but as an experienced person or as a junior, is there any difference to write XPath?
Exactly. Same question I asked to you. What is your response? Okay. See, for that only I given one document here. Just go through this document. You may come with the best answer. Okay. We have different ways. Okay. The highlighted one have you seen here? Red colored one. In real time, most probably we'll use contains. Okay. Text. Okay. Index. XPath. Okay. Multiple attributes. Kind of. This is the one. Better. I mean, I used to suppose take it contains, index based, and XPath. So I'll show you one framework code comes to my local bucket. So they given permission, okay, and I have downloaded the entire framework in my local system. One company allowed. It's automobile domain. That's why it's allowing me. If it is a banking domain and all fully secured, you can't say any you can't get it a document from client mission. So for automobile domain wise, I just took it up. That too, there is a scenario came actually, or else they won't allow me to type the code at all. one scenario at the time they given desktop in my local system. Okay, so some strike or something floods came. At the time I have to work with that. So what I did, so Jenkins server credentials I know, I logged in my local machine, I import the project and configure entire thing in my local machine, and I work with that. So that's why the entire code comes into my local system. Look at this. Have you seen? I prepared all XPaths. I prepared all XPaths here. So sometimes I used okay, relative XPath. Okay, sometimes I used to only name, sometimes IDs. Have you seen here? Name, sometimes link. Okay, sometimes CSS selectors also there. The majority of the case XPath only I have defined here. Hello.
Yeah. Yes.
This is my application locators.
Mm.
Oh, sorry, 1 second. Find CSS. Have you seen? Here I have defined CSS selector. Here I have defined CSS selector. Depends on. Majority of the case I used XPath only. Okay, now?
Yeah.
And sometimes locator, name locator. Sometimes ID also. This is actually locators I stored into one project area. Gotcha?
Yeah.
See, around 750 locators we prepared here for that entire application. Did I cover pop-up handling and switching tabs?
We covered alerts and
Okay, and I have given one assignment long back, whether you guys are able to do this or not. Yeah, what about this here? Anyone did this?
yeah, I did it.
Super. Okay. I'll give one small assignment. Okay, just try to practice that. Okay, try to practice and don't. Yeah, actually, I came to give an assignment related to retesting purpose, right? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Good. Coming back to the screen here. Login. Create an account here. 1 second. Apple vacation. I'll go here. Apple vacation. My account. You can sign up here. Go with this. This is the best example, guys. What is your assignment now? Go to applevacation.com webpage here. This is the webpage. Then after this, go to my account. Click on sign up. Now create new account page will come. Okay. My account. Then click on sign up. Then okay, fill all the details except the captcha. Okay, now except captcha. Okay, then click on create new account button. Don't worry, account won't create because captcha we didn't enter, right? This is the mandatory field. You didn't enter the value and directly click on create new account. Okay, so but the concept is we are going to fill the data, right? Fill the details without except captcha and use, okay, or else get the data from Excel sheet. Okay, now you understand the assignment? Hello.
Okay, with multiple date, I mean multiple times.
That's the one I'm taking here.
Okay.
Excel sheet. So here, fill the data, right? So create account for 3 users. Okay, na? Create an account for 3 users. Okay, this is the main point. So how do you prepare test data? Create 3 set of Excel sheet test data. So how many fields you have to prepare in a Excel sheet? Email, phone number, password, confirm password, like that. Prepare the field names, what exactly they're given here, and create the test data, 3 set of test data, and run with that. Will you? Hello.
We have to select the security questions also, right?
Exactly, all the questions. Security questions, if you take it up, what's your mother maiden name? That answer you have to be right here. So it depends on your input. Sometimes you can take these. Okay, for one record you can take this, one record another value this. And sometimes you can go with the country United States and states won't come. If it is India, states will come. So kind of just okay, just you can make it. What is that? State. You can go with the different state. One time CAJ, one time okay DC, one time GA, kind of different set of data. So all the 3 set of data should not be same, right? Email is one person is a Naresh email, one time Reshma email, one time is a okay Lakshmi's email, like that. Different set of data I'm expecting. You may go 3 or more than 3 also, not a matter. So what you'll do, first prepare the set of test data in Excel sheet and develop the code, and the code should be run using loop statement. And when I run this, all the 10, suppose 10 test data I have prepared, 10 test data should be run. Will you?
Okay, we can try.
Try. Then only you can gain the knowledge. Okay, now
Okay.
done. Then today's is over. Today's session is over. Any doubts on today's assignment, please? Hello.
Was that interview question asked in India or US or any other country?
Which interview question? Tell me, please.
That make my trip expat.
Yeah, it's a US only. She's
US.
staying in US only. But she doesn't complete that 5th question. They stopped it interview. Only first 4 she can able to, but this is not. She don't know how to write a Fibonacci series program in core Java. And some more questions they asked it, but she said I am not collecting that. Yeah, you guys also follow the same way. If you attended any interview, first try to note down the interview questions in Notepad. That is very good thing going forward. Okay, na?
Okay.
Right. That's it for today. We'll meet tomorrow same time. Thank you.